Don't lose your temper so quickly. Don't lose your temper so quickly. Don't lose quickly. Don't lose your temper so quickly.
Puppy, 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 ow. Puppy, 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 ow. Puppy, puppy.
You're the one who's talking about the one in the night.
Oh, yeah.
Look at Kelly.
Thank you.
Have a seat there.
Good morning, Mr. Dorito and Gonzales. I'm Christina Naigi, one of the editors of Reporter magazine. This interview will be part of the magazine issue for the month of December with the concept of partnership and marriage. Our team chooses you as our cover girl because you possess a good enthusiasm towards your life, especially with your marriage. So before I start my question about your marriage life, can I ask you something about your career, you being a supermodel? Sure. What are the ways you consider to reach the top?
Well, success? I think it is the hardest part of anyone's life. I think I consider the most is the determination. The determination I put just to reach what I am now. And I think you must not be contented. You must do everything you can in order to gain it.
My question is, what's been the biggest influence in your life when you entered the modeling industry?
When I entered the modeling industry, it is a combination of my family and friends.
How did you think so?
Friends, because my friends and I have a common interest towards what is modeling is. My family, because they support me all through the way towards this dream.
After we talk about your career life, now can you go on with your marriage life?
Oh, sounds interesting.
My question is, how do you feel as newlywed?
I feel so much overwhelmed, so blessed that at last I found the man who I will live my life with.
How did you meet your husband?
I met my husband along one of the photo shoots. At that time he's the photographer and I am the model.
My next question is, how did you know that he was the one?
Oh God. Well, when we first met, I can't figure out, but it was an unusual day. My heart beat so fast that I couldn't help myself but to fall in love with him.
It looks like that you love so much.
Of
Am I
course,
right?
very much.
Your marriage life, what was the best time of your life?
I think it is the fact that before you start your day, the first person that you'll see is the man who you love.
Life's been different than what you'd imagine.
It really do differs a lot. Honestly, I really don't imagine myself to be a married woman. Before, others said that I've always been a bridesmaid, but never been bride. But look at me now! I'm a happily married woman.
Is there any message that you'd like to leave for your
One
husband?
message that I can say to him is, I will always love him, forever. Whatever happens, whatever the consequences is, forever.
How would you like to be remembered by people?
I would like it in a way that if someone hears my name, the only thing that comes to their mind is, she's a girl with full of success, not just by material things, but in her life as a whole. She's never been perfect, yet contented.
For the last question, what advice do you have for young couples nowadays?
I think my advice would be something like this. Every person has a strong desire, but strong desire is not always enough. You should also constitute action. In terms of marriage, they should be very submissive to each other for their relationship to strengthen.
It's a great pleasure of mine to have this opportunity to talk to you, the great Margarita Gonzales, the supermodel.
Oh, the pleasure is mine.
Oh, thank you for your time, and will your relationship with your husband last forever?
Thank you.
Don't lose